This is a short tutorial on how to create a website using the Brown Websites app. To get started, just click the sign up button, fill in a few fields, log in, your name, password, confirm the password, your email address, then your domain name. Then you need to choose a template and click go. We're going to skip the logo, but you can already see that you have a fully functioning website with your domain name, a home and contact link, but there's nothing on the home page. So we're going to click this admin button. Now the first thing I want to do is take a look at the settings on the website. We're going to fill in some of just basic settings: name, company, address, phone number, our public email address, a basic description of our company, and then we're going to go back to the page. Now we have our name up in the header. You can see in the bottom footer here we have your information. On the contact page we also have your information. The contact form is fully functional, so people can contact you through your website. Now let's take a look. We really want to upload our logo, right? So let's browse to our logo. Have a folder here with our logo in it, and we're just going to upload that logo. And once we click OK, you can see there's your logo. Now when we view our website, the logo is placed right in the header. Now we need some pages. So as you can see, at first we have no pages. Now I have a document here that has all the pages that we want on our site. And first we're just going to quickly add some pages and put them in the system. So we're just going to type and hit enter and set up these pages on our site. So now we have these pages. You can see it automatically created the navigation in the menu, and you can navigate to each page. But the pages are empty. So now we need to edit the pages and add some content. I'm going to pull over a Word document. I have all my company information, this test company, in the Word document, and we're just going to take it and paste it right into the editor. Actually, I don't need this mission statement, because we can put our mission right here in the page title. It's going to show up for us. We can also add a title that goes in the title bar of the browser if we want, and we'll come back later and add some meta description keywords. We want to make sure this is published and on the home page. Now we're going to edit our history page, and we're going to pull from my Word document again. Need to add a paragraph there. I'm going to update that page. Now we have a page called Photos. Here we're going to upload some photos to our account. We're going to look at photos. We're going to select all 3 photos, and you see it puts them right in. We're going to change the width so they're all the same width. It makes them look better on the page. Choose the next photo. Okay. And now let's put one more. So now they're all the same width. They're easily sized. But we don't want just photos, so let's add a little text as well. We'll explain what we're doing in this photo. Okay, update the page. Let's go back, and here's our staff page. Now this is a neat function, paste from Word. If you got a lot of formatting, you can just paste right from Word, and so this has some bullet points that we want to keep, and you can see it retained them on the page. We're going to go back, and this is our main page probably. We're a lawn service company. We're going to put information about all the services that we have and that we want to advertise. Again, we're going to paste from Word. We have all this information in just a simple Word document. You can see it retained the formatting, the underlines, the paragraphs, the bolding. And lastly, we want to add a testimonial page. Check over. We're going to paste from Word. There's our information. We're going to update this page. Now we have put content for all of our pages. Let's take a look at our site. Our home page is still empty. There's our mission, our history. There's our photos. Here's our staff page with our bullet points, our services page, and our testimonials page. Okay, now what about the home page? Let's go back. We also got to add a page for the home page. And we've added the page. Now we're going to edit the page. Now this one we're going to have a little bit different layout. We're going to add a table because we want to add basically 2 columns of information. I want to put some photos on one side and some information on the other. You don't have to do it this way. It's just your preference. We're going to upload a few more photos that we haven't already uploaded. Once you upload the photos to your library, you'll always have access to them. There's a few photos in my company folder. I'm going to upload all 5 of these at once. It's a nice feature to be able to upload multiple photos. See, they're already in the system. We're going to also make sure these are all the same size. So I'm just going to tab over to the next column. I'm going to go to my Word document, grab my information that I want to put beside this one. So we got extra space in here. I want to make this a little bit darker and bigger, so we're going to make it a heading 2. We want to insert another photo here. And that looks like a good one. Same width. Get our information from our Word document again. We're going to make this the same style heading. There we go. Now we're going to come below it, and I want to add another section just below this on our home page. And I'm going to add this horizontal bar to just create some bit of separation between the 2 sections. I'm going to go back to my Word document. Say we had a promotion that we wanted to put on our home page. This would be a great place to put it. You could just go in. We have a new maintenance program that we want to highlight. We're going to make it a heading as well. And you see it has retained all the bullet points, all the different parts of the maintenance program that we offer. Now I also want to add a photo to this to brighten it up a little bit. This looks like a good one. I'm going to take a guess at the width that I want. Okay, that looks good, but it kind of broke up our bullet points there. So you can double click on the photo to get back to the editing. And you see we want to actually float or align this photo to the right. And now it's a little bit lower than I want. If you look over to the left, you'll see the cursor moving up as I drug the picture up. And we can just drag that picture around to place it in the position we want. Now you see I clicked the home button check box there. That makes sure that it puts that page on the home page. And I uncheck the menu. Now we see we have home page, but there's not a very bright title. It just says home page. But it did get all of our information. So let's go back and edit our home page title. There we go. Something welcoming and something that tells who we are. So here we are. We got a nice home page. We have multiple pages that we have set up, but our pages are kind of boring at this point, so I think we'll add some photos to enhance those pages. We do the same way as we've added photos before. Just go in, place our cursor where we want the photo to go, browse the server, choose the photo, select the width. If you notice, it changes the height as well. You want that to change at the same time so the picture contains its proportional aspect ratio. Now float it at right so it aligns nicely on the page. So now we can see our home page is fully done. Let's browse through the site. We chose not to put a picture on our mission statement. Here's our history page, our photos page, our staff page now has our staff, our services page now has a photo for each section to help explain the service and give it a visual. Testimonials page has a photo. So there you go, a simple, professional, affordable website in less than 30 minutes. And we also offer great support. If you'd like to get going on a website, please give us a call and we'll help you step by step to get all of your pages set up, to get your account set up, and you'll have a website up in no time. Just call the number below or click the sign up now button to get started.